All together.
That's quite reliable.
What colour is it? That's okay. Well, I'll have a look at it. When I find it, I'll see who's ready for it next. What colour? This is our business. She's come to see your pics. You need to come to see your pics. What do you mean? I'm surprised. Emma, would you like to talk about that?
What are you doing? And we can't say what are they doing?
Does the guinea pig have an egg?
Because on its own, some of those particular platforms, getting rid of those has made a huge difference.
Because it can, from what we've been learning as well through some of the work we've been doing, is it can get so addictive as well. Sort of it becomes part of your lifestyle, doesn't it? And it's hard to break away from that. But having support and learning, good ways of using social media is great in so many contexts. But it's also being able to sort of monitor your own use of it as well.